how to make labels in Google Docs. In this video, I'll show you how to make labels in Google Docs. So to make labels in Google Docs, go ahead and use the Create and Print Labels add-on. So to do that, click on Extensions at the top left of your screen. And then under that, click on add-ons and then click on get add-ons. And then using the search bar, go ahead and search for create and print labels. So at the results, go ahead and click on create and print labels. And then from here, go ahead and click on the install button at the right side to start installing this add-on to your Google Docs account. And then go ahead and select your Google account from here and then click on continue, and then make sure to authorize this extension to connect with your Google account. And then once this is done, you can go ahead and proceed on using this label maker extension. So close this pop-up first and then click on extensions and then click on create and print labels label maker and then click on create labels. So this will pop at the right side of your screen. So from here, go ahead and choose a label template. Import data from Google Sheets if you want to use mail merge and customize your label content using placeholders. Click create labels, then open document, review, and print your labels. And this is how you can basically make labels in Google Docs. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.